Have you ever wished for thicker, healthier hair? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world are searching for ways to unlock their hair growth potential. While genetics play a role, there are many factors within our control that can significantly impact the health and vitality of our hair. From understanding the science behind hair growth cycles to exploring the power of targeted nutrients and supplements, we can take charge of our hair health journey. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the fascinating world of hair growth, separating fact from fiction and empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your hair care routine. Get ready to discover the secrets to unlocking your hair's natural growth potential and achieving the luscious locks you've always desired. To truly understand how to promote hair growth, it's crucial to first grasp the basics of the hair growth cycle. Each hair on our head goes through a fascinating journey, cycling through distinct phases. 1. The anagen phase, or growth phase. This is the active growth phase where cells in the hair follicle rapidly divide, pushing the hair shaft upward. This phase can last anywhere from 2 to 7 years, and the longer it lasts, the longer your hair can grow. 2. The catagen phase, or transition phase. After the anagen phase, the hair follicle enters a short transitional period called the catagen phase, lasting about 10 days. During this time, hair growth slows down and the hair follicle shrinks. And 3. The telogen phase, or resting phase. Finally, the hair follicle enters the telogen phase, a resting period lasting around 3 months. At the end of this phase, the old hair shaft is shed, and the cycle begins anew with the anagen phase. Factors such as age, genetics, hormones, and overall health can influence the duration of each phase and consequently, the rate of hair growth. By understanding these cycles, we can better appreciate the importance of providing our hair follicles with the necessary nutrients and support they need to thrive throughout each stage. Just like any other part of our body, our hair follicles require a steady supply of essential nutrients to function optimally and support healthy hair growth. When our diet lacks these vital nutrients, it can manifest as hair loss, thinning, or brittle strands. Let's take a closer look at some of the key nutrients that play a crucial role in promoting strong, vibrant hair biotin. This B vitamin is a superstar when it comes to hair health, playing a vital role in the production of keratin, the protein that forms the structural building blocks of hair, skin, and nails. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss and brittle nails. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, including to the hair follicles. Without enough iron, hair follicles may not receive adequate oxygen, leading to hair loss or slow growth. Zinc is crucial for cell growth and repair, playing a vital role in the development and maintenance of hair follicles. Zinc deficiency can lead to hair loss, thinning, and slow wound healing. By incorporating a variety of these nutrient-rich foods into our diet, we can provide our hair follicles with the building blocks they need to thrive. While a balanced diet is the foundation of healthy hair, it's not always easy to consume all the nutrients we need through food alone. This is where hair growth supplements can play a valuable role in bridging the nutritional gap and supporting optimal hair health. Hair growth supplements typically contain a blend of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that have been scientifically linked to hair growth, such as biotin, iron, zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. These supplements can be particularly helpful for individuals with dietary restrictions or allergies. Vegetarians, vegans, and those with food allergies may find it challenging to meet their nutritional needs through diet alone. People with malabsorption disorders, certain medical conditions can hinder the body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively, making supplementation even more crucial. And those experiencing hair loss or thinning, supplements can provide an extra boost of nutrients to support hair follicles and potentially promote regrowth. It's important to remember that supplements should not be seen as a magic bullet for hair growth. They work best when combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. With a plethora of hair growth supplements available on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your needs. Here are some of the top contenders backed by scientific research and positive customer reviews. Hair La Vie Clinical Formula Hair Vitamins. This comprehensive formula boasts a potent blend of biotin, collagen, vitamin D3, and Evenol Max, which is vitamin E, targeting multiple aspects of hair health. *Wellbell Women Supplement. This vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO supplement is specifically formulated to address the unique hair growth needs of women, with a focus on hormonal balance and stress management. Philip Kingsley, Density, Healthy Hair Complex. This supplement combines essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, iron, vitamin D, biotin, vitamin C, and L-lysine to support hair thickness and strength. When choosing a supplement, it's crucial to consider your individual needs, any existing medical conditions, and potential interactions with other medications you're taking. Consulting with a healthcare professional is always recommended before starting any new supplement regimen. Section 6. Navigating the supplement aisle. Tips for smart choices. Choosing the right hair growth supplement can feel like navigating a maze, but armed with the right information, you can make informed decisions that align with your hair health goals. Here are some key tips to keep in mind. Read labels carefully. Pay close attention to the ingredients list, dosage recommendations, and potential allergens. Look for supplements that are third-party tested for quality and purity. Consider your individual needs. Assess your diet, lifestyle, and any specific hair concerns you may have. Choose a supplement that addresses your unique needs and goals. Start with a lower dosage. It's generally advisable to begin with a lower dosage than recommended and gradually increase it as needed, monitoring your body's response. Be patient and consistent. Results from hair growth supplements typically take time to become noticeable, often several weeks to months. Be patient and consistent with your supplement regimen for optimal outcomes. Remember, supplements are not a quick fix, but rather a long-term investment in your hair health. By combining a well-chosen supplement with a healthy lifestyle, you can create the optimal environment for your hair to thrive. Section 7. Beyond the Pill Natural Remedies for Hair Health. While supplements can be a valuable tool in your hair growth arsenal, don't underestimate the power of natural remedies that have been used for centuries to promote healthy hair. Incorporating these practices into your routine can complement your supplement regimen and enhance your hair health journey. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as rosemary, peppermint, and lavender, have been shown to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, potentially promoting hair growth. Dilute a few drops of your chosen oil in a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and massage gently into your scalp. Scalp massages. Regular scalp massages can help to increase blood flow to the hair follicles, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen. Use your fingertips to apply gentle pressure and circular motions for a few minutes each day. Herbal remedies. Some herbal remedies, such as saw palmetto, fenugreek, and ginseng, have shown promise in supporting hair growth. Consult with a qualified herbalist or healthcare professional before incorporating herbal remedies into your routine. Embrace these natural remedies as part of a holistic approach to hair health, nourishing your hair from the inside out. Section 8. Scientific Insights. Unveiling the evidence behind hair growth supplements. While anecdotal evidence abounds, it's essential to look at the scientific research supporting the efficacy of hair growth supplements. Numerous studies and clinical trials have investigated the impact of specific nutrients and supplement formulations on hair growth, with promising results. Biotin. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that women with hair loss experienced significant hair growth after taking a supplement containing biotin and other nutrients for 90 days. Marine proteins. Clinical trials on Viviscal, a popular hair growth supplement containing marine proteins, have shown significant improvements in hair growth and thickness in individuals experiencing hair loss. These studies highlight the potential of hair growth supplements to support hair health and potentially promote regrowth when used consistently and in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. Section 9. Real-life success stories. While scientific evidence provides a solid foundation, personal experiences can offer powerful insights into the effectiveness of hair growth supplements. Let's explore some real-life success stories from individuals who have transformed their hair health with the help of targeted supplements. Meet Sarah, a 32-year-old who struggled with thinning hair for years. After incorporating biotin and marine protein supplements into her daily routine, she noticed a remarkable difference in her hair's thickness and overall health within just a few months. Sarah's journey is a testament to the potential of these supplements when used consistently and as part of a comprehensive hair care regimen. Next, we have Alex, who faced significant hair loss due to stress and poor diet. By making lifestyle changes and adding a hair growth supplement rich in essential vitamins and minerals, Alex experienced a dramatic improvement in hair growth and resilience. His story highlights the importance of a holistic approach to hair wellness. These success stories serve as a reminder that while individual results may vary, the combination of evidence-backed supplements and a healthy lifestyle can lead to noticeable improvements in hair health. Remember, everyone's hair journey is unique, and finding the right balance of nutrients and care is key to achieving your hair growth goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Section 9. Embrace a holistic approach to hair wellness. Unlocking your hair growth potential is not just about popping pills, it's about embracing a holistic approach that nourishes your hair from the inside out. By combining a nutrient-rich diet, targeted supplements, natural remedies, and stress management techniques, you can create the optimal environment for your hair to thrive. Remember that hair growth is a journey, not a race. Be patient, be consistent, and celebrate small victories along the way. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of action for your individual needs and embrace the journey towards healthy, vibrant hair.